Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Alexander Odehian. I'm a wedding filmmaker based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and you're welcome today to my YouTube channel. So today basically I'm going to share with you something that happened to me recently. I imported footage into my Premiere Pro and I tried to move from the import session to my timeline. The videos was being imported into my timeline, but the issue is that the audio were not showing. So basically today I'll be sharing with you guys how to fix audio not importing into your timeline in Premiere Pro. So let me take you guys straight to my screen so you can get started. Alright, basically I have my timeline open here. Here is a tutorial I have here with me. So let me just get any of this footage. Let me just get any footage, any one at all. Let me get this. Let me just grab this. So let me just get this video. All right. As you can see, this video. Whenever I play this video on this source monitor over here, it's showing the audio. The audio is playing. But once I move this video from here to here on the timeline, the audio is not working. The audio is not playing out. So what I discovered was that out of me, probably mistakenly, you see this icon here where you have this AIVI. If you toggle any one of them off, the audio will not import. So just turn this one on. So let's just undo our movement. So turn this A1, which stands for audio timeline 1, audio line 1. If I click on this now and move this, bring it over here. Now my audio has been imported. That's how to fix it. In some situation it might be the video, so let's check the video out. Let's say for example let's delete this part. Let's toggle the video aspect. All right, so we try to bring from here, we try to bring it in. As you can see, only the audio is being imported, the video is not importing. That's because we didn't toggle this video session on. So if you toggle it on now, I will try bringing it on board, we are good. So basically, in case your video, the audio of your video is not being imported into your timeline, you can actually try and check this. If you toggle that off, it will import, like it will move from the source monitor to your timeline. Basically that's just it. So I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I will continue sharing more tutorial tips, and I hope you find this useful.